Hello guys and girls, dsr07 here, and after a really long time I'm bringing you more Dota 2 gameplays. We are starting with Nature Prophet. This game was played yesterday. It's not really special, farm wasn't really the great one. It's kinda low mid if you compare my normal games actually, and normal farm, so nothing really special. But yeah, I'm gonna use this video and actually this replay to talk about my Dota knowledge and my plans and what I intend to do on my channel with Dota 2 videos. So let's start, shall we? First thing first, I'm gonna say that jungling is pretty much something that you can learn on your own, and everyone have their item build and all those kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm always buying preferably with Nature Prophet, Ring of Basilius since he's giving us some mana regeneration and of course 6 damage, so it's kind of helpful, and with those 2 clarity potions in case that I kinda don't farm well with those trees, so you always need to have backup and not to go all the way to our base. Since we can't kill first camp in until 1 minute mark, you're gonna stack that one and you're not gonna lose any farm or any experience. So second spawn of those trees should be able to provide you enough gold for, should burn out, god damn it, that should be enough to kill that first camp. And Science don't really like this idea to wait for that pause, so we might need a little bit to forward this one. But yeah, always make sure that you spawn your creeps until you're in base, just to make sure that you're not losing any mana, and that should be enough to kill first camp. Until then, you always can spawn more trees, and with spawning second trees, actually your Ring of Basilius, you're gonna give enough mana to make sure that you're prepared for third spawning. So yeah, still not using any clarity potions, and you're going for third camp. But as I say, that isn't the best camp which you want to fight for with your trees on first 2 levels, or maybe on first level. You can manage that on second level. But yeah, I wanted here to stack, and really doubt that I did it successfully, since yeah, I did it actually. So we're gonna take those trees again for first camp. On level 2 I leveled up my teleport, since it's much more important than Sprout, since you can teleport wherever you want and actually make some assist or kill even. So that is stacked, but we can't really do that anywhere there since our trees are pretty low still. Instead of that, we can try and kill at least one of those here. First item which I went here, and usually I'm going for Hand of Midas, since it's gonna give us boost of experience and of course attack speed, which we really need with Nature Prophet here. In meantime, Patch made first kill. I'm stacking this camp as well, and yeah, 3 gold here without my trees. I used my first clarity potion, of course, and now we have enough mana for 2 spawning of those trees. Of course, if I don't fuck up somehow. So yeah, that was enough for Gloves of Haste, if I do remember name of that item. Yeah, Gloves of Haste. When you're playing too much alone, actually, you're forgetting some important names. But yeah, also I don't have too much opportunities to have with friends, since I have only a couple people actually from my city, from my country, who are playing Dota on some normal level, where I don't need to rage and all those kind of stuff. So yeah, if anyone out there is interested in some playing parties and all those kind of stuff, feel free to add me on Steam. So yeah. Okay, we can do that without... Actually, I could stack there, but I failed, so... Didn't use courier for a long time, even though I could. That attack speed is really important. Okay, just to make sure that he is safe. we had our sprout in a second, so after second level, or third, depends what you're leveling up, but when you have your teleport, you always need to watch for your radar and to be aware what is happening on map. You can always TP and do something. Well, this is warded, but I didn't even notice that. Wow. Well, maybe because we didn't get any sentry wards. Okay, still farming, and when we hit level 6 we are gonna start concentrating on getting kills and assists. Also, you need to push those towers, but it's too early for that. And of course, when you're using your ult, you need to make sure that actually you don't need to push, that you need to push those lane signs. That can ruin farm to your carries a lot. Okay, I wanted to... no, I didn't want to stack here, I just wanted to make sure that my tree stay a little bit longer alive. I could stack here though, it was a perfect time, but couldn't find any tree here for my little trees, so now I'm gonna try to kill this camp, but it's a tricky camp. I'm gonna lose my trees again, and I will probably TP to base. Still not enough for Hand of Midas, but we're gonna get teleport. I will continue my farm until we don't get Hand of Midas. It's a pretty important item. In the beginning when I started Dota, I kinda was... I don't know, that was pointless for me, since you need like 5 minutes to farm that one if you don't find any kills or assists. So, didn't realize how much experience and gold is giving you. Attack speed, of course. So yeah, seems like this camp will finally go down. In the meantime, I'm following things on map. I have full mana, so I can TP and do sprout if I need. And of course, ult is coming up really soon. That means more free gold. There are some fight here. I TP'd there, so I will probably be able to get a kill here. Yeah, first kill for me. Almost at the Hand of Midas. I did that ult there, and actually I got my kill. That was assist first, and this was kill. Okay, Pudge is here. We're gonna make sure that you know that Haste is here. And we're gonna stay here for a while just to make sure that he will get that room. And we're going back to farm, of course. Hand of Midas is here, so now we should be able to farm a little bit faster and to get involved in those kills more than before. So far everything is going good. We have Phantom Lancer, which farm isn't that good, but he will do okay in this game. So yeah, Hand of Midas is used. That gave us level 7. Now we need boots. Everything is going so far. Yeah, farm isn't that great as it could, but I did that one TP to get assistant kills. One was fail, so I needed mana. Otherwise, we should have more than 50 creeps so far, but we have our boots, so that's gonna make us kinda more useful in those fights. Okay, Shadowfiend is having his free farm down there. He doesn't have boots, but he completed his ring. A little bit damage there for him. Ult is here. I kinda wanted to find Queen of Pain and put my ult, but that wasn't enough. Maybe because before that I could kill her, but I was too late. Okay, TP is on cooldown. You need to be careful with... yeah, I was starting to go down for some kills and all those kind of stuff, but not sure they went for that black hole for Phantom Lancer, but Windrunner did a great job there. Hand of Midas is on. I kinda still not used to watch for perfect timing there. So I think that we're gonna push this lane if we can. Yeah, on the other side, Queen of Pain isn't farming too well. Okay, we're gonna go back and farm, since there's no point. Yeah, we're gonna TP here. I'll make sure that we just scare her, and yeah, we're here. Yeah, that should be kill. Nice. Second kill. So I did that sprout intentionally. I didn't want... actually I could, but that wouldn't change anything. Just make sure that she TP down, a little bit down to her tower, since I was there with Phantom Lancer. And she actually did that, and that was easy kill for us. We almost have our threads here. Next camp should allow us to buy those threads, and then I don't really remember what they went for. Maybe Sheepstick, or maybe... well, Sheepstick or... Azulator is kinda... I don't know, it's okay when you're owning that game, if you're already winning the game as this. But...
death comes in at the ears.
Yeah, she TP'd to the... Actually, Phantom Lancer get that kill. Though that she was in jungle then when I was playing. And I almost got my first death there, but I escaped. I drew that, so we're going into base. They're still fine, our threads are here. I was probably going for Aghanim Scepter, since it's gonna improve our ult, and that is pretty handy. Didn't even notice that Pacha did that there. He hooked us and then we TP'd anyways. Okay, it's time to push those lanes. Hand of Midas is up. I think I died here. Yeah, I died here. That was stupid for me.
The forest.
That was perfect.
I don't even know what they wanted to do that. Enigma have her blink already, so I didn't expect that. Okay, well, he's doing fine, more than fine. 74 last hits for 13 minutes. It's pretty fine for a solo hero.
Radiant's top tower is under attack.
On the other hand, Phantom Lancer is not that good. They can win this one. Perfect. We are alive in meantime. We're gonna go here and try to defend this one.
Radiant's top tower is under attack.
Double kill. Unstoppable elemental force.
Oh god, she escaped. Really? Okay, Windrunner get that kill. Wants to TP and maybe... Well, when you're playing with Pudge, I'm always thinking like that. If I do Sprout, well, he can't escape, of course, if he have Blink, but immediately after Sprout he can do Hook and pretty much that is safe kill. Nothing can stop them, but he was thinking about that Sprout and he didn't do that fast, even once I think. Yeah, we can take this tower easily.
Tower is under attack.
Even though they are here. Pudge was waiting for perfect moment, so just to make sure that he is safe. And he didn't make it, so
Radiant's tower is under attack. Radiant's top tower has
okay, we are
fallen.
more than 1000 gold. Time to start our Aghanim capture. He didn't.
Dire's middle tower
Wow.
is under attack.
Actually, he didn't have mana for ult.
Radiant's top tower is under attack.
Well, trees are on cooldown, so we can't really defend it with them. Okay, let's see, can we kill someone? Yeah, ult is popped up, so just make sure that...
Nature's wrath.
Yeah, that Prophet, we killed that Prophet actually in this fight. Did you notice that one with our ult?
Warriors of the wood.
Well, this tower is going down. I'm taking gold for that one.
Tower has fallen.
Hand of Midas on the other hand, on the other side, is on for a long time already and
Top tower is under attack.
didn't even pay attention to that while I'm fighting. That is a huge mistake for me. I need to work a little bit more on that. We can take this tower as well.
Radiant's bottom tower is under attack. Radiant's bottom
Okay, I'm gonna
tower has
TP.
fallen.
Question is where? Okay, to our base.
Dire's top tower is under attack.
Well, didn't collect that one. Yes, I did now. And in the meantime, I didn't even notice I bought point boosters, so
Dire's top
we're
tower
only
has fallen.
1,000, actually 1,000 and a half away from our Aghanim Scepter. And then after that one we will go for Shipstick.
Come.
Well, that blink was painful for her.
Monster kill.
Pop up that ult there just to make sure if she blink away somehow, even though cooldown was... actually that blink was on cooldown. And of course farm. Farm is always good to have. 1,000 away from our Aghanim Scepter. As you can see, I'm only 77 last hits, but that is because I didn't farm all the time. I mean, let's face it, you can't really explain to someone, especially in the pubs, when you just go in jungle and farm for like 20 and more minutes. Doesn't matter if your team losing or winning actually, you're just farming and farming. I'm always more for kills than for farming. After all, when you do your math, it's pretty much the same, and even more even more better if you do more kills. Just trying to explain how important it is to get involved in all those kills. Yeah. Oh god. That hook. Yeah, ult is up. Well, Enigma is too far, of course. She had a blink. Fail blink, of course. Okay, more fighting coming up here. We will try to get this tower, I guess.
Warriors of the
Middle
wood.
tower is under attack.
Yeah, it's gonna be an easy one. And after this tower, we should get our Aghanim Scepter, of course.
Radiant's middle tower has fallen.
So, since we have Queen of Pain with her blink, we have Enigma with Black Hole and Death Prophet, which can be a pain in the ass sometimes, but not in this case. We need Shipstick, so that is our next item. Okay, I wanted here to get involved in that kill, but didn't even need.
With me.
Well, so far we're killing them without any problems, but okay, we will try to push this tower and maybe get Rex, but it's not gonna happen since they're all alive. Well, it would be really hard for Pudge to miss any of those, even if he tried to hook on blind, but nope. He missed it after all, so we're gonna stop this wave.
And run.
Okay, we can try this now, since maybe we can't actually. Okay, he will pop up his ult, but still fine, we're alive. That mech was really useful there. Yeah, that was Windrunner.
Tower is under attack.
Well, we're not doing here anything, so I decided just to go and push this middle tower.
Uproot you.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
Yeah, she's here as well, so yeah, this TP was
Bottom tower is
just to
under
make sure
attack.
that she doesn't know where we're going. After all, I decided to go to base, maybe not. Because we have our ult, we can push Hand of Midas. Well, we shared their experience. Shouldn't maybe do that, since we're only 13 level after 23 minutes and we went to base, so that was kind of a waste of time. Although I bought Void Stone because I wanted to make sure that I always have mana. It's giving us near 7 mana regeneration now, so it's pretty fine. Okay, more farming.
Uproot and after them.
We need 1,000, no, god damn it, 2,100 for that orb, and then we need one more item, so near 5,000. It's a long way till there. Of course, you always need to make sure that you're farming when there is no fight on the map, or when and you can't actually push. Couldn't really push anywhere since he didn't know or anyone had actually the top lane, so didn't want to risk and feed anyone. Okay, here waiting for new camps and making sure that I'm close here to IceFrog if I need to help. At this point you don't even need those creeps, except for pushing towers to take that damage from tower instead you. Okay, orb is here, we could buy that, but plus 10 attributes to all stats, which is handy. Okay, we were waiting here for... Nope, that's not gonna happen. Ult is up, but I shouldn't use that since nobody is on low health. Oh god, I just went into that hole. Yeah, pop up that tool there just to make sure that...
Time to cut my losses.
Okay, never mind. We're doing fine here. Windrunner is almost dead.
This fight is over for you.
Phantom Master is still there. I just TP'd.
Radiant's top tower is under attack.
Because Queen of Pain had her blink and my Sprout wouldn't do anything there. I could just die maybe. At that point I didn't know where is Enigma. Well, Enigma bowed back, right? Not sure, I thought we killed Enigma actually. Okay, that was fail. So we're working away. At least he took that tower. Okay, Mystic Stuff is here, so now we need orb. It's pretty much like 6. Now it's only 400 gold away. And we have our shipstick. Queen of Pain isn't going to be any problem anymore. Enigma, of course.
Warriors of the wood.
Should be able to get that hex or shipstick, however, until next fight. Only 163 golds, but on the other hand we have 12 assists and 4 kills. And only 1 death, so we're doing fine. Okay, our shipstick is up. Making sure that everyone knows that. So now we can do some team fights. TP in 6 seconds, so I'm ready. Well, now you could go for, I don't know, maybe pipe or anything. Actually, here we don't even need pipe, except for that profit. But since we're winning this one, and I was confident in this game, and yeah, there we go. Shipstick, easy kill. Power of shipstick.
Feel nature's wrath.
I was pretty sure that we were winning this one, so I decided to go for Desolator and try to find more kills.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
Uproot you.
Radiant's middle tower has fallen. Radiant's bottom tower is under attack.
Just to get involved in this fight, even though I shouldn't even do this.
Pull roots and run!
Okay, we should be fine here with the shipstick, and can we kill her? Yep, it's going down. Well, he didn't hook. Maybe hook wasn't cooldown, but that should be the easy kill. Just to make sure that we have vision for a couple of seconds, but yeah, we can push now, only Queen of Pain. Shouldn't be a problem.
Radiant's bottom tower is under attack.
Well, Pudge is more than confident here. He will probably die after a couple of kills, maybe.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified.
Well, the funny fact is that he didn't even notice that we're not attacking the tower.
Radiant's bottom tower has fallen.
Okay, I should pop up my ult here just to make sure that all the lanes are pushing. Yeah, exactly what I thought. Well, we're a little bit less than 2,000, actually maybe 3,000 all the way from our Desolator, and then party begins. Then pretty much they are all easy kills, especially with their team and their bad playing so far, so Power of Shan though. We didn't kill even once with Shan. Well, I saw a couple of times that random players actually buy Vlads, Natural Profit, just to make sure that their trees actually can push without any problems, but not huge fan of that item build, so okay, Desolator is here. Okay, it's time to push this mid lane. Our towers is still up. They took only 2 towers. Wow. Didn't even notice that. Well, Desolator is here. Okay, they almost got me there. Making sure that I'm safe here.
Fresh meat!
Can't? Nice. He got that kill. I'm making sure that he's not going into base. may die here, I will probably die, but that doesn't really matter. Yeah, I died from tower. I wanted it because even though yeah, they didn't get the kill. Nash Prophet didn't get the kill. God damn it, that Prophet. Okay, since we're dead couple of seconds more than what I expected, I'm gonna speed up here since we're at the end. It's not a secret.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
Fresh mate.
I just want to make sure that this lane go through their Rexes as well.
Radiant's top tower is under attack. Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
What happened?
Murder.
Well, that was stupid from Queen of Pain.
Catacombs.
Okay, one is going down. Double kill. Nice. Okay, that was dumb from her. Smart from me.
Radiant's bottom barracks have fallen. Radiant's bottom barracks.
And this should be the win, right?
The Gaia now have mega creeps.
Yeah, we got our last whoever. I don't actually know how to spell that one. Crystal is whoever. And yeah, that was the win. So it was a nice and pretty easy game, but I just wanted to show some new gameplay. And of course, this is just warming up, more games coming up. And of course, I'm streaming during day. Still in beta phase, but I'm streaming, so make sure that you follow me on twitch.com/dsr07mm. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy and stay tuned for more.